Confused while choosing a smartwatch for your kids? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Garmin Bounce 2 and the Fitbit Ace LTE Kids smartwatch head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about materials and build, the Garmin Bounce 2 features a rugged, kid-friendly design with a durable polymer body and 5 ATM water resistance, built for everyday play and outdoor use, while the Fitbit Ace LTE uses a more premium mix of plastic, stainless steel, glass, and recycled materials, along with Gorilla Glass protection for added scratch resistance. The Bounce 2 comes with a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, 390 by 390 resolution, that delivers bright and sharp visuals in a compact square design, while the Ace LTE uses a larger OLED display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection and higher color depth, offering a more vibrant and modern screen experience. The Garmin Bounce 2 typically delivers around 1 to 2 days of battery life depending on LTE usage, optimized for tracking and safety features, while the Fitbit Ace LTE lasts around 16+ hours, but charges faster and is designed for active all-day use with frequent interaction in games. The Bounce 2 focuses more on GPS tracking, activity monitoring, geofencing, chore rewards, messaging, and parental controls, while the Ace LTE adds heart rate tracking, more interactive games, fitness goals, and on-watch calling/messaging with LTE support, making it more feature-rich for engagement. Both watches use custom low-power wearable chipsets, but Garmin Bounce 2 is optimized for efficiency and location tracking stability, while Fitbit Ace LTE is optimized for interactive UI games and LTE communication performance. The Garmin Bounce 2 launched in late 2025 and is positioned around the $250 to $300 range, plus LTE subscription, while the Fitbit Ace LTE launched earlier, 2024, and is priced around $150 to $180, plus a monthly LTE service plan, depending on region. The Garmin Bounce 2 is best for parents who want strong safety control, location tracking, and structured kid management, while the Fitbit Ace LTE is better for kids who want a more fun, game-focused smartwatch with communication features and interactive engagement. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.